Hello, Bernie families. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get on Google Classroom and some troubleshooting things you might need to do, as well as if you're already on Google Classroom, some helpful little tips to know. So the first thing I'm going to do to get on my Google Classroom is go to my child's portal. So you can see I'm in my normal Google Chrome browser. You can see this is my icon. It's connected to my account. You'll see the problem with this in just a moment. So I'm going to go onto my students portal. To do that, I'm going to go to lbschools.net. This is our school's website. And then I'm going to go to students. There'll be a little pull down menu. I'm going to click on Student LBUSD Portal. I'm going to let it load. And then it's going to show you this error message. Now, the reason it's doing this is because I am trying to get onto a student account, but I have a staff account. And it might do this to you as well if you have a personal account and you're trying to get on a student account. So the really easy fix for this is to either A, add an account, so make one for your student, or B, just use a guest. I recommend using a guest account for the first time. So I'm going to go back to lbschools.net. I'm going to click on Students and then Portal. And then it's going to give me the login page. So I'm just going to use one of my students' logins. Please use your own child's login. Their username is their school ID, and their password is their 6-digit birthday. All right, then you're going to see your child's portal. It'll look like this. You might not have anything in here if your child hasn't been on since school, because this is the recent tab. So you can either A, go to Home 2, or B, you can go to Applications to access all of these little tiles. Now, for Google Classroom, you're going to need to go to Applications because I didn't save that one for you. So you're going to click on G Suite, that's the Google Suite. It's going to redirect you. And then you're going to log in again. Kind of a pain the first time, but it'll get faster the more you do it. It'll immediately take you to your Google Drive. Now, Google Drive we'll learn a little bit more about later, but for right now, it's going to be your access to everything. So if you've done anything in Google Drive, it's going to start showing you the activities that you've worked on. But I don't want to be in Drive, I want to be in Classroom. So I'm going to go over to what we call the waffle, or these 9 dots, and I'm going to click on Classroom. And you'll notice this student already has my classroom in their classes, but if you've never been on, this is going to be blank, and you're going to click on the plus, and then you're going to type in my classroom code. All right, so let's go on to this Google Classroom. On the front, you'll see our stream, and that will tell you messages from your teacher. But if you actually want to do the activities, you're going to click on classwork. And this is where you'll find all the activities. You'll find the subject as well as the due dates. You can see these are all some older assignments, but if I scroll down, you'll see there's one that's due today, or there's one that was due yesterday. You'll see different variances. You click on the activity and it will take you to what you're going to do. Now, let's say I finished this activity. I watched the video and it was great. Then I can mark it as done, and that will send a note to your teacher letting you know that you have completed that assignment. So you want to make sure your marking is done. Let's say I drew an eagle, but I did it on paper. I didn't do it on a computer. Well, I can click Add or Create, and I can actually upload it. I can upload it through Google Drive, which means it's downloaded on that. I can make a link if it's something I did on the computer, or I can upload a file. So let's say I took a picture of it with my phone and I downloaded it. Then I could upload it with a file, and that way your teacher can actually see the work that you